Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share simple tutorials on the latest AI tools and design platforms. Let's get started. The first step is to open your browser and visit the official Figma website. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your email and password. If you're a new user, click Sign Up and create a free account using your Google account or email address. Once you're logged in, you'll reach your Figma dashboard. Now open an existing design or create a new project by clicking New Design File. To add a video, first select the frame where you want the video to appear. Keep in mind that Figma doesn't play videos directly inside the design canvas like a video editor. Instead, you'll usually use plugins or embed video files for prototypes and presentations. Go to the Resources or Plugins section and search for a video-related plugin, such as one that allows video embedding. Install it if needed, then open the plugin. Next, upload your video from your computer or paste the video link if the plugin supports URLs. After uploading, adjust the video's size and position to match your design. You can resize it, align it perfectly, and even place text or buttons on top to create a realistic user interface. If you're creating an interactive prototype, switch to prototype mode and connect your screens. During preview, the embedded video will appear as intended, giving your project a much more polished and engaging feel. Pro tip, use short, high-quality MP4 videos and compress large files before uploading. Smaller files load faster, keep your project organized, and improve the overall experience when sharing your design with clients or teammates. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to log into Figma, create a project, and add videos to make your designs look more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and Figma tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.